In this video, let's see how to make a payment in the customer portal. Click on the navigation bar in the top right corner. Select Home from the navigation menu. Click on the Make Payment button in the main content area. Here you can choose the account balance option in the payment modal to pay your account balance. You can also click the Specific Invoices option to only pay the invoices you select. Click the invoices to select them. You can also click on the Custom Amount option to specify a different payment amount. Enter the desired payment amount in the Custom Amount field. The custom amount will pay the invoices in the order they are due. Next, select the payment method you wish to use. If you don't have a payment method, you can enter it here. Verify the reCAPTCHA to confirm you are not a robot. Click the Submit button to proceed with the payment. Confirm the payment by clicking the Yes button in the pop-up.